guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting my hair prepped for some braids. My birthday is this month and I'm trying to do the Bora Bora braids. I just took out my part wig and it's wash day. So I'm gonna be using the Avida the Curly Advanced line today. They sent this over in PR and I've actually already used the Intensive Curl Perfecting Mask. And y'all, I used it on my leave out. When I tell y'all, this thing makes your hair feel like butter. I feel like I found my new favorite deep conditioner. I'm not joking. I really am a huge fan of their botanical line. Their deep conditioner Rich is so good, but I just might like this one better. We'll see. I'm gonna use it on my full head today. I only used it on my leave out. The last time I used it and I was literally like in shock at how soft my hair was. So really excited about this. I haven't used the shampoo on my hair yet. I did use it on my daughter's hair and it worked really well. And then also, wish me luck because I'm doing Bora Bora braids, but I wanted to go for like a summer type vibe. So I'm gonna be dyeing the hair. I got some box colors. I haven't dyed hair in such a long time. So I'm a little bit nervous, especially because this is curly hair and I don't usually color curly hair, but we'll see. I'm like really attached to the style that I have in my head. So I'm hoping it turns out the way I think it's gonna turn out, but we'll see. So anyways, I'll be dyeing this, and to deep condition it or to condition it afterwards, I'm gonna be using their conditioner from the line. This is just a regular conditioner. I might mix it in with another deep conditioner, but anyways, we'll see. Let's get started. Y'all, I'm like not looking forward to this wash day at all. Like, why does it take so long to do hair? Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with shampoo and wash it all out. And I'll be back to let y'all know how I feel about both of these products on my full head. So let's go. So I just finished shampooing my hair with the Be Curly Advanced Avida. And honestly, I don't really have any like major thoughts. I think it's just it's a good shampoo. My hair does feel clean, but I will say it doesn't feel stripped. Like it doesn't feel like my hair is super dry. And this is not like a clarifying shampoo. It's more of like a moisturizing one. So I'll give it that. It definitely, my hair doesn't feel dry at all. It feels like, to be honest, if you said that I just put conditioner in my hair and I rinsed it out, I'd be like, yeah, it's possible. Because it really does feel very moisturized, so that's good. Now I'm gonna go in with the mask. I already told y'all I tried it already on my leave out when I had my part wig on and I was like blown away. So I'm gonna use it on my whole head. My hair is pretty damp and I'm just gonna work in sections. Starting off with the front section. And I like to start from the tips of my hair and then I work my way up. And then in a second, I'm going to brush it through with my unbrush, which, oh my God, obsessed. I don't know what I would do without this brush, y'all. Like, I have 3 of these now because I use it for myself, I use it for my kids. It's just like amazing. And if I had this in the beginning of my natural hair journey, yo, my life would have been so much easier. But it's okay, we got it now. Oh my gosh, y'all. I wish y'all could feel how my hair feels because I don't know what they put in this thing, but like as soon as it touches my hair, oh, it just feels so soft, like almost alarmingly soft. All right, so I'm just gonna keep brushing it through and making sure it is touching every single strand and detangling at the same time. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the rest of my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the conditioner in my hair, and while that's soaking in and sitting in, I'm gonna go ahead and start dyeing the leave out part of my Bora Bora braids. So, yeah, I'm scared. I'm not even gonna lie. I hope I don't mess this up because I don't know, I'm always really like scared of dyeing curly hair. Anyway, so I have the Cream of Nature box. I'm using the color medium warm brown. I'm really going for like a color 30, a number 30. Even a little bit darker than that. I just want it to be a little bit of a lighter, not even light brown, but I want a dark brown color. Obviously the braids are gonna be, let me even show you. This is the braiding hair that I'm gonna be using. And it's also kind of like ombre, so I'm going for like this sort of color. Honestly, I was thinking I might just use my own hair and then just not use any synthetic hair at all. But just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna use a little bit of the synthetic hair just to get it a little longer. And then I'm actually gonna leave the extensions, this, on the bottom just to give me a little bit of length, because I do want it to be like this long. And I figured if I just use my hair, it will probably end up being this long just because these aren't that long. So anyways, I hope you all understand what I'm saying. I did a lot of research on this, but I'm just hoping that it works out. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start dyeing this. I have my box color ready and I'm just gonna mix it up and start. So this already comes with like the developer. Just gonna add the color into the box. I got two just in case, but I feel like one might be enough, or maybe 1.5, but we'll see. They're all in there. I'm gonna shake it up. It's been so long, y'all, since I have dyed hair. I used to just like, every month, I feel like I was just dyeing hair for one reason or the other. And especially, I feel like the ombre trend kind of died, but honestly. I still love that ombre look, especially for the summertime. If I wanna do color, it's always gonna be like a ombre. Even the braids that I did before this, those silky braids, it was like the same vibe. It was ombre with the brown on the bottom. I feel like that's just my thing. I like the brown. I like the dark brown look. Okay, so I think this is good enough. I'll just make sure I squeeze it all out. The last little drop. All right, so that's good. I'm gonna, I know, just blow up. Okay, so I finished rinsing out the conditioner. I'm about to blow dry my hair. I'm gonna do it in sections and I'll be back. Okay, so before I blow dry, one quick thing. I just wanted to toot my horn a little bit because when I tell you that every time I get my hair done by somebody else, the first thing they always say is, girl, your hair is so like soft and your hair is so moisturized. What do you use? I'm telling y'all, really for me, it's the deep conditioners. I don't play about deep conditioners. Honestly, I'm not somebody that does my natural hair a lot. Like I feel like I could take a lot more care of it than I do, but I don't play about wash day. I don't play about the products that I use on my hair. So when I tell y'all something is good, trust me. All right, so I've already detangled this section, put the Sacred Leave-In Lotion, is that what it's called? I always forget the name of it. Moisture Sealing Lotion, I put that in here. And then again, I use a pretty small amount, at least in my opinion, because I use a lot more than that if it's any other product. I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it. This is what I've been using recently. Y'all have probably seen this so many times on my channel. I love this thing. It's a Shark Flex tool. It like, of course it's not gonna work when I wanna, here we go. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. It has so many different attachments. This is the one I like to do. I like to use for my blowout. So, and I actually like using this straight on because I just feel like I have a better grip on it and I just hold it like this. Let me go ahead and blow dry my hair. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. As y'all can see, it's like really that simple. Like, boom. Hair is stretched. Didn't really take much effort. That's why I love this thing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole hair and then I'll be back. I'm all done with the blowout. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Hair feels great. So my review on the Aveda Be Curly line, love it. Shampoo was really good, especially if you're looking for like a moisturizing shampoo. This was amazing. This again, like blew my mind at how soft my hair felt instantly. Like literally as soon as it touched it and I smoothed it through my hair, felt super soft. And my hair even now after blow drying it still feels really moisturized, doesn't feel dry at all, and yeah, I love it. Okay, so let's check in on the bundles and how much it's processed. Let me show y'all. I think I'm gonna give it a little bit longer. I can start to see that it's starting to lighten up, but I want it to get to its fullest potential. So I'm gonna let it sit for maybe another like 30 to 40 minutes. And then I'm going to, so this is the shampoo I always use every time I put any type of bleach or developer on hair, the Shimmering Light shampoo. And then for the conditioner, I'm gonna use the Aveda. And I'm just gonna mix the Cream of Nature that came in the box with this to deep condition the hair, and then I'll probably just let it air dry. And then yeah, my appointment is tomorrow morning, so hopefully the hair is dry by then, but we'll see. Anyways, I'll check in with y'all later, hopefully. And we'll see the final look. I'm excited.